Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to LJOLUSESI. So in today's video I want to share with you some of the things that I got from April from CraftyFox251 on Etsy. Now she is a small business that obviously has a shop on Etsy, so I'd be very grateful, and I'm sure she would as well, if you go over. I will leave all the links to her socials down below, but go check out her shop. She's got over 100 things, near enough 200 things I want to say, on her store. She does quite a lot of glitters and nail art excuse me, a lot of nail art stuff, but she also has some jewellery and arts and crafty kind of things as well. So please go check her out. There is her logo, and there is her Etsy store. She's on Instagram and also Facebook. Now on this she does say that most are new, so if there is anything that you like or that you see here, I'm sorry I don't know prices, but they are dead affordable. I've just placed another order with her yesterday, as it goes. So I want to show you, look at Mr. Llama, he's a little rubber, dead cute. So I have this brush stand. I'm sorry if it's looking dark, it's just the weather's pretty shite today. So I think she made this out of resin. He is super glittery. It is a fish, if you didn't guess already. Super glittery. How cute. So I will demonstrate. Watch this not work. There you go. Oh, let me bring it down so maybe you can see. Ta-da! I love him. So he is going to be sitting on my desk. We have a scratch and sniff. This is just a sample. It's pineapple. I think these are stickers. Yeah. She has loads. Can't remember what ones she's got because I didn't really go through what she's got. That sounds really horrible, doesn't it? I don't mean it horrible. It's just I just go straight for the glitter. Ooh. Oh, that smells nice. That smells lovely. These do come in a big sheet because I know that someone else got a big sheet of them. Can't remember who it was. Anyway, so I got Salmon Bonanza. Really, really pretty holographic pink glitter. Then we have Pink Panther. Pretty. These are multi-cut. So there's some big, is it medium? No, I just think they're big, and then some small hexagons, and then a fine glitter. Pretty, pretty. Then we have, I need to mix this up a bit. is a new one. Oh, she's stuck new on it. Thank you very much. This is Purple Emperor. So again, this is a big hexagons which are holographic, and then there is a blue holographic, and then an iridescent hexagon as well. How holographic that is. Look, it's doing wonders to my camera. Pretty. Then Golden Sun. There was a fine, this is a holographic as well. Fine, yeah, it's the same as them. It's a fine, and then larger hexagons, and then small ones. Golden Sun, I don't know if I said that. Then we have Blue Lagoon. Again, another holographic glitter. This is, majority of it is fine, and then there are some bigger holographic hexagons in there. Pretty. I don't have many blue glitters, so that is nice to add to the collection. Then we have Red Admiral. Oh, it's Emperor. This is a new one. Sugar. So we have a fine yellow glitter, and then we have some, oh god, this is going to do wonders for my eyes. There was a red holographic, and then I see some blue, green and purple hexagons, and then there is a small iridescent hexagon. That's pretty. Love. Then we have Bling, which is a neon yellow. Yeah, this is majority is like a fine glitter, and then some larger and small hexagons. It's super bright. I love that. Perfect. Then some red maple leaves, which are holographic. I don't have any in this colour. I've got them in the brown or bronze. Brown sounds disgusting. The bronze, I've got them in like a burgundy. I've got a pink, mixed pink, yellow and orange. But I don't have them in the red, which is great. Love getting things that obviously I don't have. Then there's some multi-mix flowers. Pretty. And then white mylar shard. So there's a big old bag of white mylar shards. And then look at the size of this one. Multi-mix mylar. This will last me. I won't ever get through that. That is impossible. You've seen the size of that. Look at my hand. It is massive. So it's all different colours in there. Beautiful. Love that a lot. Right, that is it for today's video. Again, I will leave this up on screen, and I also leave her details down in the description bar, so please go check that out. April, thank you so much for everything. I absolutely love it all. You know I love your store. Thank you all so much for watching. Please take good care of yourselves, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.